Hello everyone, good day. By the way, let me introduce to you myself. I'm Rugashano Jr. T. Makiling. And today, we're going to discuss or to show in this video on how to use Google Workspace Google Classroom. To have access on how to use the tools of Google Classroom, all we have to do is create our Google account. For teachers, they can use in their classroom setup this digital format. We know that Google Classroom is a tool for fit to our education fundamentals when it comes to Google. For teachers, they can create manage classes, assignments, and give grades. They can also add materials for assignments. For example, they can add YouTube videos or Google Forms and other items that are in their Google Drive. And also, they can ask or give direct or real-time feedback when it comes to their class. They can also post an announcement so that they can give the learners engagement when it comes to questions given. They can add the parents or guardians so that they can monitor the progress of their child. When it comes to student, all they have to do is track their classwork, to submit their assignments and also check their grades and share the resources and interact on their classes. Before that, why we have to use Google Classroom? Because there are so many digital format of classroom that we might use. But when it comes on accessibility, Google Classroom can be accessed any computer via Google Chrome or mobile devices, regardless to the platform. All files uploaded by teachers and stored to their classroom folder or to their Google Drive. And also it is paperless since we are environmentalists. We love our nature. We love our mother nature. So let's try on how to use Google Classroom or how to create a Google Classroom. So let's go to our Google account. Let's go to the search bar and then we just have to wait. Then let's search it here, Google Classroom. And then click. Here we are. Just click the sign in to Classroom. If you're a first timer and then you are a teacher, just click the plus sign. If if you are a teacher, just create a class and the one will be joined in the class is the student. So create a class. So don't forget to read the instruction. So it's for a Google Workspace for education where you can use Classroom. Workspace with Google service the students can use and provide additional safety and security protections. In Google settings, students can use the school with personal accounts. So if you already understand that, just check the check bar and then continue. So here we are in create a class. The number one required here when creating a class is just put a class name. So for example, I'm going to put it here, grade 10. First section, I will put it here, for example, Maharlika. And then for subject, I will put it here, ICT. And then for the room, it's either in the second floor, first floor, room 1, room 2. So, but I will put it here, room 2. and then just create. Just have to wait. It depends on how fast your internet. So we are here in Stream. Stream is our dashboard, and then in here we can create announcements. So for example, good day, good day. But you can modify your announcement here. You can bold the letters. You can also search YouTube videos and then upload it here. And also insert files using Google Drive and upload it here. Also, you can put link. So that's the tools here in Stream. Let's check classwork. For classwork, the tools here is create assignment, questions, material, reuse, posts, and then the topic. So that's the tools in classwork. For people involved, the teachers and the students. So I hope you guys learned something from me. Since while doing this video, I am using my mobile phone since I don't have a laptop. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye, and God bless us all.